I don't clean with chemicals anymore for a long time, but I want to show you the difference between Norwex cleaning with water, and there is some natural stuff I bought to clean enzymes, some kind of liquid of enzymes, and this is also microfiber that they sell with this cleaner. So here it goes. And this is Norwex. And this is window cloth. Oops. When it's not black screen, then I can see it in much. So I don't see if you see it very well, but this is with all this film, sort of white film left residue, and this is the line that wasn't cleaned at all, and this is totally clear with Norwex, just with water. I don't even need to spray anything. It's like it's like a joke. I can't understand how good it is. It's like amazing. So I'll clean it all off. That's it.